Welcome back to day 2 of Highlights Launch Week. Today, we're excited to bring you data manipulation improvements building off of our existing dashboard capabilities. Here's an overview of these features. First of all, you can now use variables to update multiple queries at once, allowing you to share logic across all the charts on your dashboards. You can also set default date ranges on your dashboards for faster loading of relevant data. We've also added time interval bucketing, such as hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly, so you can quickly visualize trends based on a given time range. Plus, you can sort tables to easily spot performance issues, like slow APIs or SQL queries, just by building a table where you're filtering on a particular attribute. These updates give you more control and help you monitor your app's performance with ease. Stay tuned for more features this week.